The United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, a subsidiary of Rostec, has delivered a new batch of Su-34 Fullback fighter bombers to the Russian Aerospace Forces, VKS, according to a release from the corporation. The aircraft reportedly passed all required ground and flight factory tests prior to handover. In a statement, Rostec said, the Su-34, due to its versatility and extensive arsenal of strike weapons, can perform a wide range of missions, making it one of the most in-demand aircraft in the aerospace forces. Based on experience from the special military operation, the aircraft received enhancements that allow for more accurate and powerful strikes from hundreds of kilometers away from its home base. In terms of flight and combat characteristics, this is one of the best aircraft in the world. The Su-34 is a twin-seat, twin-engine fighter bomber designed to strike ground and naval targets, air defense-protected infrastructure, and air threats at extended ranges. It is also capable of conducting tactical aerial reconnaissance. According to a statement by a Su-34 pilot in the Russian Aerospace Forces, as part of fulfilling the specific tasks set by the Minister of War of the Russian Federation on delivering particularly demanded weapons and equipment to the troops, crews of the Aerospace Forces accepted the Su-34 aircraft. The advantages of the Su-34 lie in its ability to carry out combat missions in simple, complex, and minimal weather conditions against ground and naval targets, using guided munitions of the air radar, air-to-air, and air-to-surface types. Vadim Badeka, General Director of UAC, stated, "We are concluding the 2025 production program on schedule and have already started work on next year's aircraft." UAC's enterprises are maintaining a high production pace for combat aircraft and fulfilling their obligations to the aerospace forces of Russia. This year has been one of the most productive in terms of the number of deliveries of operational tactical aviation aircraft. However, open-source intelligence group Oryx, which tracks visually confirmed battlefield losses, has reported that Russia has lost at least 41 Su-34 aircraft during its war in Ukraine. These losses are based on verified photo and video evidence, and the actual number may be higher due to unconfirmed incidents. Despite its capability, the Su-34 program continues to face high attrition as Russia remains heavily engaged in the war.